Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily. Today we started from model paper number 143 and question number 1. The Statue of Liberty was gifted to USA by France. Next is who is called the father of English poetry? Who is called the father of English poetry? The Chaucer, Chaucer. The Chaucer is called the father of English poetry. Next is the Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1922. 1922 AD. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 922. Next is Taxila was a famous site of Gandhara civilization. Next is which university first established after the creation of Pakistan? The Karachi University was established first after the creation of Pakistan. Karachi University is established first after the creation of Pakistan. Next one is the first Chief Justice of Pakistan was, its name is Justice Abdul Rashid. Justice Abdul Rashid is the first Chief Justice of Pakistan. Next is the book name is Wealth of Nations was written by Adam Smith, ADAM Adam Smith. The book name is Wealth of Nations and the writer name is Adam Smith. Next is sales tax is ultimately paid by customers. Sales tax is ultimately paid by customers, not by shopkeepers or not by company, by customers. Next one is Pakistan Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1997. Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1997 and 5 June is also observed as the World Environmental Day. Okay, I hope you understand. Pakistan Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1997. Next one, the highest literacy rate in South of Asia countries is in Sri Lanka and Pakistan is also situated in South Asia. Sri Lanka contains the highest literacy rate all over the in South Asia. The minimum wage of workers in Punjab is 10,000. The minimum wage of workers in Punjab is almost 10,000. Next is human rights organization. The name is Amnesty International, is based in Paris. Its headquarters is in Paris. Human rights organization name is Amnesty International, is based in Paris. Next, who presented the idea of blood bank? Blood bank which we donate to others for their health fight for the mostly the patients of hemophilia or thalassemia. Who presented the idea of this blood bank? The writer name, the person name is Charles Drew. Charles Drew is the writer, the person name. Next is the liberty, equality, fraternity was the slogan during the French Revolution. It's all during the French Revolution. In the modern world, an institution of Abendson was first established in 1809. In which country it is established? It is established in Sweden. The modern world, an institution of Abendson was first established in 1809 in Sweden. Sweden is also a country who gave the Nobel Prize to all of the world. Next is Sakal Sarmast was a Sufi poet of Sindh. He belonged to Sindh. Sakal Sarmast was Sufi poet of Sindh. The next is Upper House of the Parliament in Pakistan Senate consists of 104 members. 104 members in the Upper House of Senate. Next is the free market involves market forces of supply and demand. The free market involves market forces of supply and demand. The next is a mixed economy is also called the market forces and government intervention. The market forces and government intervention is a mixed economy. Next is indicate below that is not a factor of production. A bank loan is not a factor of production. A bank loan is not an asset and also not a factor of a production. Next is two of the major factors contributing the growth are resources and efficiency. Two are the major factors contributing the growth are that is resources and efficiency. Next is privatization is the transfer of government businesses to the private sector. Privatization is the transfer of government businesses to the private sector. Next is who is called the reduction in the rate of currency. What is called the reduction in the rate of currency? The rate of currency is decreased by devaluation of money. Devaluation, only devaluation. What is called the reduction in the rate of currency is a devaluation. What is dumping? The dumping is a sale of goods in large quantities and at a low price. That is called dumping. A dumping is a sales of goods in large quantities and at a low price. Next is GDP, gross domestic product, is a value of all economic activity within a nation's border. Value of all economic activity within a nation border. Okay, let's move to next one. The next one is, what is called a country total financial obligation to the rest of the world? What is called a country the total obligation to the rest of the world? The answer is, next is, what is debit retirement? Debit retirement is a complete repayment of debit. Debit retirement is a complete repayment of a debit. Next is Hassan Rouhani, new elected president of Iran. Hassan Rouhani is a new elected president of Iran. The next is, which country gets contract to operate Gwadar Port? With Gwadar Port is also situated in Pakistan, in Balochistan, and it is also we purchased in 1958 from Oman, and the only country gets contract to operate the Gwadar Port, that is China. Next is the English poet who died in his young age. Name is John Keats. John Keats is died in his young age. Next is, which disease is more common in males than females? That is, color blindness is more common in males as compared to females. Color blindness. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's move to next one. The next one is, Line's share of United Nations budget is being spent on peace. Line nation shares of United Nations budget is being spent on peace. Next is, which Muslim country has the lowest per capita income? The name is Somalia. Somalia is the Muslim country that has the lowest per capita income. Okay, let's move to the next one. What is Holocaust? Holocaust is a killing of Jews during World War II. Holocaust is killing of Jews during World War II. War and Peace is a novel. Who is the writer of the novel? The writer of the novel is Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is the writer of book name is War and Peace. War and Peace. Next is, Gandhara civilization was situated between the rivers. Gandhara civilization was situated between the rivers Indus and Jhelum. Darya Sindh and Jhelum. River Jhelum and Sindh. Next is, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea are connected by Suez Canal. Option is, answer is Suez Canal. Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea are connected by Suez Canal. Next is, Faruka Dam on river Ganga is disputed between Faruka Dam is on river Ganga is disputed between India and Bangladesh. They contain both of these countries have the Faruka Dam. Faruka Dam on river Ganga is disputed between India and Bangladesh. Next is the writer of book Khaki Shadows. Khaki Shadows is the book and the writer name is K.M. Arif. K.M. Arif the book name is Khaki Shadow. Next is, what is meant by causeway? What is meant by causeway? Causeway mean is raised paths. Causeway mean is raised paths. Okay. Next is, night watch painting belong to Michelangelo. Night watch painting belong to Michelangelo. David is also painting that is belong to Michelangelo. David, he is a statue and it's belong to a Michelangelo. Night watch painting also belong to Michelangelo. Next one is, a first Muslim who won the Nobel Prize. The answer is Anwar Sadat. Anwar Sadat get Nobel Prize in 1978. Anwar Sadat. Next one is, which day is observed on 15th May every year? 15th May is observed as Families Day. Next is, where is the Golden Gate situated? Golden Gate is situated in San Francisco. Okay, I hope you understand. Golden Gate is situated in San Francisco. Next is, the headquarter of Asian Development Bank. Headquarter of Asian Development Bank, where it is located? It is located in Manila. The headquarter of Asian Development Bank is located in Manila. Next is, Taklamakan Desert. Taklamakan Desert, where it is situated? It is situated in China. Taklamakan Desert is located in China. Okay, let's move to next one. The next one is, fill in the blanks. There is a limit to everyone in life. There is a limit to everyone in life. Next is let us make up difference. Let us make up difference. Up, the fill in the blanks is filled by up. Let us make up differences. Next is he is always boosting dash his wealth. He is always boosting off his wealth. The fill in the blanks is filled by he is boosting off his wealth. He's boosting off his wealth. Next one is our neighbor died dash overwork. Our neighbor died of overwork. The fill in the blanks is filled by of. Our neighbors died of over hard work or of overwork. Next is I was amazed dash his misbehavior. I was amazed at his misbehavior. The fill in the blanks is filled by at. I was amazed at his misbehavior. Okay, let's move to next one. Next one is obnoxious synonym. Obnoxious synonym is offensive. Obnoxious synonym is obsessive. Next is foible. Foible synonym is weakness. Foible synonym is weakness. Next is infring synonym is violate. Infring synonym is violate. Next is India granted Pakistan moved favored nation status. MFN, India's moved favored nation status in mutual trade in 1996. MFN is also abbreviated as favored nation status. That is India guaranteed to Pakistan in mutual trade in 1996. Next one is Dasu Dam is being constructed on Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK, sorry. NWFP, KPK is also the new name of NWFP, the new province of Pakistan. Its name is changed in 2010. KPK, the Dasu Dam is being constructed in KPK. Next is ornithology is the study of birds. Ornithology is the study of birds. Next is 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. Next is which part of human body is more